If you want to connect your OPPO Find X9 to your Windows by using the Link to Windows app, then in that case, we can open Settings. Next, we're gonna choose Cross-Device Connectivity. Over here, we can choose PC. Now, in the upper right corner, we can tap on these three dots over here and then choose Connect to Windows. After that, we should be able to sign into your Microsoft account. We can also sign in using the QR code on your PC, which is, I think, just easier. So we're gonna select this option and choose while using the app. So now we need to scan the QR code. So on your computer, you want to open the phone link, which you should have already installed on your Windows, and then we can choose Android over here, and we will generate the QR code. So now you want to scan the QR code from on your phone, I mean. So get it on your tablet, and then you will get this code over here that we need to enter on our phone. So we're gonna enter the code over here. Now, after signing into account, you want to press continue. If you see this option, and then we need to grant some permissions, of course. There we go. We can allow the app to always run in the background. We don't have to agree to help Microsoft to improve the app. And then over here we can press continue again, and finally done. And there we go. Now, once again, we're gonna deny the request to help them improve the app. And this is how it looks like on our phone. And on our Windows, we will see that we are all set. So we can press continue over here. Now, in this case, we will see this welcome message. We can open the phone link whenever we sign into our Windows account. And also we can just press get started. Now, in some cases, you might need to grant certain permissions. Like over here, we can go to edit permissions to grant some permissions. On the left side, we can grant permissions for notifications and so on and so forth. So you can do that, and then you can go through messages, photos, apps, and so on and so forth. And also make sure that your phone is online over here, which if it's not available, then it might be available once you grant all requested permissions. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.